Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to permanently delete YouTube channel. First, open your YouTube Studio page. On the left side, click Settings. Navigate to Channel, Advanced Settings. Scroll to the bottom and click Remove YouTube content. Enter Google account password. Now you have two options. You can hide your channel or permanently delete. By hiding your channel, following will be applied. But in this video I will show you how to permanently delete your channel. Click on the second option. Now check both checkbox and click Delete my content. Now confirm your email address. The deletion process may take a few minutes or a few days. It depends how big your channel was. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe.